Leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur play a crucial role in the field of construction and land development. They are responsible for accurately measuring and determining the elevation or height differences of various points on a given site. This information is essential in creating a level foundation for buildings, roads, and other structures. The leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur are equipped with advanced tools and techniques to ensure precise measurements and calculations. Scon Design is a well-known engineering and architectural firm based in Delhi. They provide a wide range of services, including leveling surveying, design, and project management. With their expertise and experience, Scon Design has become a trusted name in the industry. They have a team of skilled leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur who are trained to handle complex projects and deliver accurate results. When it comes to leveling surveying, accuracy is of utmost importance. Even a minor error in measurement can lead to significant issues during the construction process. This is where the expertise of leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur comes into play. They use specialized equipment such as electronic levels, laser levels, and total stations to measure height differences with great precision. By analyzing these measurements, they can create elevation profiles and contour maps that help in designing the layout of the site. Leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur utilize various techniques to ensure accurate measurements. Leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur are essential in the building and land development industries. They are in charge of precisely measuring and calculating the elevation differences between various sites on a certain site. This knowledge is crucial for laying a level foundation for constructions like roads, buildings, and other infrastructure. The leveling surveyors in Mahipalpur use cutting-edge equipment and methods to guarantee accurate measurements and calculations. Delhi-based Scon Design is a reputable engineering and architectural firm. They offer a variety of services, such as project management, leveling, and design. Scon Design has established itself as a reputable brand in the sector because of their knowledge and experience. In Mahipalpur, they have a group of knowledgeable leveling surveyors who are qualified to manage challenging projects and produce precise findings. Accuracy is crucial when it comes to leveling and surveying. During the construction process, even a small measurement inaccuracy might cause serious problems. This is where Mahipalpur leveling surveyors' experience is useful. To measure height variations precisely, they employ specialized tools including total stations, electronic levels, and laser levels. They can produce elevation profiles and contour maps by evaluating these measurements, which aid in planning the site's layout. As a result, it is crucial to determine the extent of contamination, if any, during soil research and to take the necessary precautions to reduce any dangers. The results of the soil research in Mahipalpur are very important in deciding the design criteria for different projects. Engineers can gather precise information that enables them to make educated judgments about design.